Hi guys, welcome to my channel Love Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Divi contact form using Google email address. For some reason you try to set up a Google email address for Divi contact form and emails are not going out, or you are not receiving the emails from your mail server. So how do we fix it? So here is a fix. First thing you have to do is you need to go to WordPress dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new. So then you need to search for a plugin called Easy WP SMTP. I would recommend this plugin because this is very simple plugin and easy to set up. Other plugins there's a lot more process and lot more complicated things, so it's very easy to use this plugin. So once you install this plugin, click on active. Once you activate the plugin, you need to go to settings and you need to go to Easy WP SMTP. So where you need to enter your email address initially, then your name, this can be anything, your company name, so it doesn't matter. So then you need to scroll down. So here you need to enter SMTP host, so that is smtp.gmail.com, encryption SSL or TLS, its port is 465, authentication yes. So username is your Gmail address and password is not your Gmail password. This is where everyone goes wrong. So here we have to use an app password. This is a new procedure that Google has introduced. So how do you get this new app password? So for this you have to do is there is an article. I will post the link in the description. Here is the article, so you can look at how to enable the how to enable Gmail application password for SMTP. So what you need to go to Google account, your Google account, and click on security. This is the account that you need to you are using for a contact form, so that same Gmail address. So you need to turn on the two-step verification, so otherwise this won't work. So once you turn on the two-step verification, then go to app password. Then you need to click on select mail. In the options you'll get options where you need to select a mail. So then later later you select a device, it says other custom. So custom name, you can give the custom name whatever, it doesn't matter. So and then click generate. So this is how you generate the password. Just copy paste this one, the space won't matters here, so Google will skip the skip. Just copy paste this password into the SMTP password. So I will just show you a demo how do you do that. So here is a here. So this is my Google account. So so I turned on already two-step verification. You can do it, that's so easy. So how do you set up app password? You click on here. So it will ask you to the password, so you just need to type in the password, your password. So once you log into your password, so login, so it will ask you to here select app, select mail, then select the service, custom. So give the name, so whatever, it doesn't matter. So click on generate. So that's it. This is how you need to generate this password. So just you need to copy the password, go back, click on copy the password. So just copy the password, Ctrl C, and then go back here and just paste the password here. So once you paste the password, so next step what you have to do is you have to test whether it's working or not. So you just go back and go to test mail. So you can type in any address that you want. So type in your email address, any address you want. So click select the subject, type the subject message and click send. So once you click send, so you will get a message. So this email was successfully sent, no errors occurred during the process. That means you have done this one perfectly, so there's no problem. Now your emails will work perfectly. This is how to fix Divi contact form using your Gmail address. Hope this helps you. So there are no more videos on the internet, so I have done this video. Hope this is helpful for all. Thank you and have a great day, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.